Republican Representative Elise Stefanik, late last week, filed a complaint with the New York State Commission on Judicial Conduct. She filed an ethics complaint against Judge Arthur Engoron, who of course is the judge overseeing Donald Trump's New York fraud trial, accusing Engoron, among other things, but overall, the accusation is that he is engaging in, quote, weaponized lawfare. And we can't have that, can we? These made-up things that Republicans have created, but they've only created them because it's a way to describe what the Democrats are allegedly doing. It's weaponized lawfare, Elise Stefanik says, a month into the trial. They're not even trying. They are not even trying to not look like crazy lunatics. But here they are. Here is a sitting Republican representative filing an ass-backwards legal complaint. And I hope she's the one who ends up getting punished for this, because this is so goddamn stupid, I don't even know what to say about it. Listen to this. This is what this dumbass wrote in her complaint. If Judge Engoron can railroad a billionaire New York businessman, a former president of the United States, and the leading presidential candidate, just imagine what he could do to all New Yorkers. Yeah, so let that be a lesson. If you're a New Yorker and you've committed massive crimes, they'll come after you too. Like, good! Isn't that the point? Aren't Republicans out there every day saying Democrats are soft on crime? And then Democrats are like, all right, we'll get tough on crime. And you're like, no, not against this guy. Jesus Christ, these people are so dumb. They're so dumb that it causes me physical pain at this point. Judge Engoron's lawlessness sends an ominous and illegal warning to New York business owners. If New York judges don't like your politics, they will destroy your business, the livelihood of your employees, and you personally. This commission cannot let this continue, this dumbass writes. All Americans, including political opponents, must receive due process and equal protection under our U.S. and New York constitutions. Judge Engoron's disdain for President Trump and his politics are evident, and the commission must take corrective action to restore a just process and protect our constitutional rights. Judge Engoron must recuse from this case. You know, the case where he's already issued a summary judgment, meaning that it's already been ruled upon. It's been going on for over a month now, and she wants him to recuse himself now. Like we're at the finish line, close, like pretty much at the finish line. And she's like, "Nope, start it over. You got to get out of here." What gets me is this quote from her little diatribe she sent to the Judicial Commission. She says, Americans are sick and tired of the blatant corruption by radical leftist judges in New York. All New Yorkers must speak out against the dangerous weaponized lawfare against President Trump. Americans are sick and tired of the weaponization of judges in the state of New York against Donald Trump. Now, that is a highly specific thing to cite, right? Like, Americans are sick and tired of judicial misconduct from judges in New York only, and only judicial misconduct by those judges against this one guy. I want to see your polls, Elise. I mean, you say Americans are tired of it, so I'm assuming you have polling data to show this exact, very specific claim that you made. So I will be sitting right here at Ring of Fire, Elise, waiting on that email from you personally where you send me, Farron Cousins, that poll result so that I can correct the record and report it here. Okay, how about you do that for me? I'd love to see it. I'd love to report on it. I'd love to be wrong in this instance, Elise. So why don't you go ahead and send that on over to me? And as soon as I get that, I'll go ahead and make a new video for you. How about that? In other words, I'll be sitting here forever waiting for something that doesn't exist because Elise Stefanik is a liar and a moron who has no idea what the hell she's doing, without even realizing, of course, that she was basically abusing the power of her office that the voters of New York entrusted her with to circumvent the judicial system in order to protect Donald Trump. Ring of Fire has fresh content 7 days a week, so if you want to be reminded about it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell to be notified every time a new video goes up.